A person named Noor Alam Mia met on a bike accident and got injured. The accident took place in Bishalgarh Din Dayal Chomani area on Wednesday. The injured was taken to Bishalgarh Hospital and later referred to Agartala GB Hospital. In a tragic incident on Wednesday, a person named Noor Alam Mia was heading towards home from Bishalgarh Din Dayal Chomani on his bike bearing the number TR01AD6386. However, he met into an accident after losing control of his bike. The incident was immediately informed to Bishalgarh Fire Brigade. The injured was taken to Bishalgarh Hospital and later referred to Agartala GB Hospital.
তার নাম হচ্ছে নূর আলম মিয়া, বয়স হচ্ছে 30।
কোন জায়গাতে পৌঁছেছেন?
পৌঁছেছি আমরা বিশালগড় হাসপাতাল।
Noor Alam Mia is currently undergoing treatment at GB Hospital. There was a stir in the area over this incident. Reported by Jiban from Bishalgarh, Chini Khorang.